Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making dirty rice. You will need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 pound of ground pork, 2 cups of cooked rice, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of green bell pepper, 1/2 cup of onion, 1 stalk of celery, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 cups of chicken stock, 2 teaspoons of fresh thyme, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of Creole seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then brown your ground beef and ground pork. Now add your onion, celery, and bell pepper. Add your garlic, then season with your paprika, cayenne pepper, Creole seasoning, thyme, salt, and pepper. Now incorporate your flour. Add your chicken stock and continue stirring. Cover and simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add your rice, then mix well. Continue to simmer for an additional 2 minutes, and then it is ready to serve. This dirty rice recipe can serve as a great side dish or main dish. I hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. We're getting to share with you